Introduction: the 2025 Ferrari 296 GTS represents the cutting edge of hybrid supercar engineering, combining breathtaking design with electrified performance. As the open-top counterpart to the 296 GTB, the GTS Gran Turismo Spider offers an exhilarating drive with the added thrill of open-air motoring, staying true to Ferrari's legacy of innovation and emotion. Interior design: inside, the cabin balances high-performance focus with premium materials. Carbon fiber trim, Alcantara accents, and a minimalist dashboard give the cockpit a race-ready feel. Ferrari's digital instrument cluster, F1-inspired steering wheel, and supportive sport seats immerse the driver in a high-tech, high-luxury environment. Despite its supercar DNA, the GTS offers comfort for extended drives. Exterior design: the 296 GTS exudes Italian flair and aerodynamic precision. Its sleek, sculpted bodywork includes a retractable hardtop that opens in just 14 seconds, seamlessly integrating into the design. Aggressive air intakes, flowing lines, and a pronounced rear diffuser highlight its performance-oriented styling, while the LED headlamps and signature taillight design ensure a bold presence day or night. Performance: under the hood, the 296 GTS houses a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 819 horsepower. This plug-in hybrid powertrain enables the GTS to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds and reach a top speed of over 205 miles per hour. With a pure electric range of around 15 miles, it's also capable of silent city cruising. The car's dynamic handling is enhanced by its advanced chassis systems and rear-wheel drive layout. Safety: the 296 GTS features a suite of modern safety and driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, traction and stability control, and advanced braking systems. While focused on performance, Ferrari ensures that safety is not compromised, with active aerodynamics and advanced carbon ceramic brakes providing excellent control. Price: the 2025 Ferrari 296 GTS comes with a starting price of approximately $370,000. Though customization options through Ferrari's tailor-made program can push the price significantly higher. It's a price that reflects its cutting-edge technology, exclusivity, and iconic Ferrari status. Outro: with the 2025-96 GTS, Ferrari has once again redefined the boundaries of performance and luxury in a hybrid supercar. It's an intoxicating blend of speed, style, and innovation, tailor-made for drivers who crave the thrill of the open road and the prestige of the prancing horse.